Hello, good afternoon and welcome. I'm very pleased to be joined by Maarten van Heel, who is the Director for Projects and Engineering at Battolyser. Welcome, Maarten.
Thank you, Nadim.
So there was a big announcement yesterday I saw while I was there with the AIB investing in Battolyser. So maybe you can give us some background to Battolyser. I think it's a fascinating company, but please explain what Battolyser do.
Yeah. So we at Battolyser Systems, we develop the Battolysers, which is an integrated hydrogen battery. So basically we have one single unit, one single stack where we can store both electrons, so electricity storage, as well as producing hydrogen.
Yeah. And the purpose of that is to give flexibility to the grid, or what are some of the advantages of this solution?
Yeah, flexibility is definitely one of our key advantages. So we are truly flexible from 0 to 100%. So we can be 100% load following, which of course in a energy system of the future with many more renewables is a key advantage. Yeah. This will allow our customers to basically arbitrage at every point in time whether they want to produce hydrogen or whether they want to stop producing hydrogen, but also even deliver electricity back to the grid and basically have an additional income stream.
And how efficient is that pathway back? So if I create hydrogen and then I want electricity back?
Yeah, so we're targeting around 80% efficiency, and that's also what we're already seeing in some of our tests. And we have our first pilot unit operating at this point in time in the north of the Netherlands, in one of the bigger power plants of the Netherlands. Yeah.
Yeah. And the idea, I mean, I know it's been developed, I think, for the last 10 years, and it's come out of Delft University. Where's the innovation come from?
Yeah, you're right. So the Battolyser as a technology was invented at the Delft University of Technology by Professor Dr F Mulder, who around 10 years ago started looking into this. There's already close to 10 years of R&D ongoing. Around 3 years ago, we started to commercialize this technology. So all the patents are under Battolyser Systems as we stand. And we've started as a small company. We now have grown to over close to 70 people and planning to grow even further.
And yeah, you obviously just received, I think it's a 40 million euro loan from the EIB, which is a great, I guess, vote of confidence.
Yeah, indeed, we're very pleased with that. The fact, that the EIB, that Europe is investing in these type of technologies is very reassuring. It's also a quality stamp, and for us that will allow us to accelerate our production at our location here in Rotterdam.
And I think the technology is fascinating because you're combining electrical and chemical engineering, which is very much the nexus point of green hydrogen. And there's some issues or challenges with that. I'm not sure from a safety aspect or from a scale perspective as well.
Yeah, no, indeed. So I think electrolysis in itself is already combining electricity, electrons with molecules. Yeah. So that's already something that is new. That's not only new to us, but also to other technologies. For us, there are a few aspects that are different. For example, as I mentioned, the fact that we're 100% flexible, but also the fact that we are able to deliver electricity back to the grid. So therefore, we have some different requirements on our power supply system. But other than that, I think we're best compared to an alkaline system with that 100% flexibility. Yeah.
And what's the scale of the system, and how do you see it being deployed? Is it quite small scale, and you're looking to replicate and have it many modules, or tell us about the sort of the structure?
Yeah. So let's say in the 2.5 years that we're now really scaling up as a company, we've delivered our 15 kilowatt hour pilot system that is being deployed at an industrial site in the north of the Netherlands at a power plant. We're now developing and have started fabrication on a 1 megawatt hour system that will be available early next year. And next to that, we're looking at 2 megawatt products, 5 megawatt products, and also a bit further into the future, see what a 100 megawatt system for Battolysers would look like.
Yeah, wow, 100 megawatts, that's a big system.
Yeah.
And this is your first time at World Hydrogen Congress?
No, it's the second time actually. I was here last year as well.
Good, I always like repeat customers. And yeah, how's it been for you? Have you had a lot of good meetings and met some interesting people?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, for us as a company, of course, with the announcement yesterday, that was an awesome start of this conference. It's our home turf. We're from Rotterdam here. The nice thing is that you really again meet customers, but also suppliers, other partners that we've been working with. It's great to stay ahead of what everybody is working on, to connect again and really see how we can drive partnerships going forward.
Excellent. Well, many thanks. We look forward to seeing Battolyser's continued success. So many thanks, Maarten. Great to speak to you. Cheers. Take care.